What's up, Bitcoin Bulletin fam? Get ready for a rapid-fire rundown of the news that matters most. First up, analysts are laser-focused on three make-or-break Bitcoin price floors. As BTC faces a sell-off, these critical support levels, identified by Swissblock Technologies and Glassnode, could determine the cryptocurrency's near-term future. Will $112,000, $110,000, or the short-term holder cost basis at $111,400 hold strong? Next, get this, a man has miraculously regained access to his $3 million Bitcoin wallet after an astonishing 11 years. Locked out by a corrupted password file, he turned to hacker and YouTuber Joe Grand, who uncovered a critical flaw in an old password generator. This incredible story shows how a deep dive into tech can unlock fortunes thought lost forever. Could this be the ultimate crypto comeback? Then, we've got major moves in the mining world. CleanSpark is making waves, rallying 5% after securing a massive $100 million Bitcoin-backed loan from Coinbase Prime. Using a portion of their 13,000 Bitcoin holdings as collateral, CleanSpark plans to supercharge its mining operations, high-performance computing, and energy ventures. Is this the blueprint for scaling up in today's market? And finally, a chilling story from Ontario concludes as a kidnapper who demanded a $1 million Bitcoin ransom has been sentenced to 13 years in prison. This case highlights the dark side of digital currency, with authorities treating crypto demands with the same severity as traditional crimes. We're covering all the angles, so stick around. Make sure you're subscribed and the notification bell is on so you never miss an update. Bitcoin's battleground, the critical price floors you need to watch. Bitcoin's recent sell-off has intensified, sending shockwaves through the market and prompting analysts to pinpoint crucial support levels. Swissblock Technologies and Glassnode are highlighting three make-or-break price floors that could dictate BTC's immediate future. The first line of defense, according to Swissblock, is $112,000. They state that as long as this level holds and market risk remains stable, Bitcoin has the potential to rebuild its strength. Their Bitcoin Risk Index, which combines on-chain valuation and cost-basis data, is currently showing stable, optimistic readings despite a recent dip in BTC's price. Another vital lifeline identified is the $110,000 mark, a level that historically proved challenging for buyers to maintain. Adding to this critical zone is the short-term holder cost basis, currently sitting at $111,400. Glassnode defines this as the average purchase price for recent investors, serving as a key battleground between bulls and bears. Trading consistently below this metric could signal a shift towards a more bearish market structure. These three levels, $110,000, $111,400, and $112,000, are forming a delicate support structure that the entire market is watching with bated breath. Don't go anywhere, because the story of a lost Bitcoin fortune is about to blow your mind. Next up, we're diving into a hacker's incredible feat that unlocked millions after a decade of being locked out. Decade-long Bitcoin mystery solved. Hacker recovers $3 million wallet. In a truly astonishing turn of events, a man has successfully regained access to his Bitcoin wallet, containing a staggering $3 million, after being locked out for over 11 years. The predicament began when the wallet owner, aiming for maximum security, used a random password generator called RoboForm for his wallet. However, the encrypted file containing this crucial password was later corrupted, leaving him stranded. For over a decade, he watched his initial investment of 43.6 Bitcoin, worth around $4,000 back then, skyrocket to a fortune of $3 million, a fortune he couldn't touch. His hope was reignited when he contacted hacker and YouTuber Joe Grand. Grand, a renowned figure in tech recovery, delved into the old version of RoboForm the man had used and discovered a hidden vulnerability. The passwords, while appearing random, were actually predictable based on the time of generation. By reverse engineering the software and manipulating the date to 2013, along with other parameters like password length, Grand was able to generate a short list of potential passwords. After diligent effort, he hit the jackpot, successfully generating the original password. This remarkable recovery highlights the persistent challenges of digital asset security and the ingenuity required to overcome them, reminding us of other cases like Stephen Thomas and James Howells, who are still battling to access their own lost fortunes. But the Bitcoin journey doesn't stop there, as we explore how mining operations are securing massive funding. Next, we're looking at how CleanSpark is leveraging its Bitcoin reserves to fuel its expansion plans. CleanSpark's $100 million power play, Bitcoin-backed loan fuels expansion. Bitcoin mining firm CleanSpark is making significant strategic moves, surging 5% in after-hours trading following the announcement of a monumental $100 million financing deal with institutional-focused Coinbase Prime. This substantial credit line is secured by a portion of CleanSpark's impressive holdings of over 13,000 Bitcoin. The newly acquired capital is earmarked for aggressive scaling of its Bitcoin mining operations, enhancing its high-performance computing (HPC) capabilities, and bolstering its energy portfolio. CleanSpark's shares saw a notable bump, rising from $13.74 to $14.44 after the news broke. In a dynamic market where many mining firms are pivoting towards AI, CleanSpark's chief business officer, Harry Sudak, emphasized a versatile strategy. He explained that the company focuses on maximizing the value of every asset, utilizing power contracts and land for both Bitcoin mining and HPC ventures where they are a better fit. This adaptability, Sudak argues, is crucial for long-term growth and competitive advantage. CleanSpark has already secured approximately $300 million in Bitcoin-backed financing from Coinbase Prime, demonstrating a strong commitment to making its substantial Bitcoin reserves work harder for its shareholders. This latest move follows a record third quarter for the company, with revenues reaching $198.6 million, fueled by mining 657 BTC in August alone. From massive financial maneuvers to the darker side of crypto, we've got one more story that will shock you. Next, we uncover the grim details of a kidnapping plot that demanded a $1 million Bitcoin ransom. Ontario Kidnapper Sentenced, $1 million Bitcoin ransom plot unraveled. A disturbing case involving a $1 million Bitcoin ransom demand has reached a critical juncture in Ontario, Canada. Kieran Moore, 39, has been sentenced to 13 years in prison, with 3 years credited for time served, following his conviction for the 2022 abduction, torture, and sexual assault of a woman identified as A.T. Justice M. Townsend handed down the severe sentence, which includes concurrent terms for forcible confinement, sexual assault with a firearm, and reckless discharge of a firearm, alongside a lifetime weapons ban and a 20-year registration as a sex offender. The court proceedings also addressed a youth co-accused, SM, who is awaiting sentencing. The victim was abducted at gunpoint outside a Thornhill Plaza and taken to a Barrie garage where she was held captive, beaten, burned, and threatened with a fentanyl-filled syringe, all while her captors demanded the substantial Bitcoin ransom. Detective Renwick confirmed that the perpetrators explicitly sought both cash and cryptocurrency. The victim managed to escape and alert authorities. This case tragically underscores the increasing trend of violent crimes linked to digital assets, often referred to as $5 wrench attacks, where victims are coerced into surrendering their crypto. Law enforcement and courts are now treating these digital asset ransom demands with the utmost seriousness, akin to traditional armed robbery and kidnapping. The victim's powerful statement detailed the ongoing psychological trauma, emphasizing the lasting fear and feeling of being perpetually watched. That's a wrap on today's top stories, but we're not done yet. Stay tuned for a lightning round recap and your full call to action. And that's a wrap on today's Bitcoin Bulletin. We saw Bitcoin defending critical price floors around $112,000, a hacker unlock a decade-old $3 million Bitcoin fortune, CleanSpark secure a massive $100 million Bitcoin-backed loan, and a kidnapper who demanded $1 million in Bitcoin sentenced to 13 years. If you found this update valuable, smash that like button, subscribe to Bitcoin Bulletin for all your crypto news, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat. Follow us on all social media platforms and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We'll see you next time.